Hello everyone. Whether you're a student or teacher, here's how you can get Microsoft 365 for free with no-cost access to Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, and Excel. Step 1. Begin by visiting the Office 365 Education website. Check the description box for the link. Step 2. Enter your school email address and click Get Started. Step 3. Follow the instructions for verifying your eligibility. Step 4. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you'll be prompted to either create a Microsoft account or sign in with an existing one. Step 5. After signing in, you can proceed to download and install Office 365 Education on your computer. Step 6. You can also access Office 365 Education online by logging into your Microsoft account from any device. Problems when signing up for Office 365 Education. Users may encounter various problems when signing up for Office 365 Education. Here are some common issues and their solutions, along with related tips. Problem 1. Technical errors. Users might encounter technical errors or glitches during the sign-up process. Solution. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or try signing up from a different browser or device. If the issue persists, contact Microsoft support for assistance. Problem 2. Email verification issues. Users may have trouble verifying their school email address. Solution. Ensure that you've entered the correct email address and double-checked for any typos. If verification emails are not received, check your spam or junk folder. Problem 3. Eligibility questions. Users might be unsure if they are eligible for Office 365 Education. Solution. Check the eligibility requirements on the official Microsoft Education website. If you're still unsure, contact the Microsoft Education support team for clarification. Thank you for watching. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.